We're just paying respects here to the management of the Dwars. This oak decides whether you can kayak today or not. Yo, we made it to the Dwars. This is the squad today. We've got old Tim here, probably the best out of the bunch. So he's gonna lead us apparently. We've got Aram.
What's up?
Yeah, like a low level, but low is slow and slow is pro. Or what did they say? Slow is smooth, smooth is fast.
Slow and steady wins the race. Fast is fucking cool as hell.
Yeah, the plan is we want to do laps on the waterfall because Tim's going to the Pukon and he wants to be able to do cobra flips there. My focus today is the Wrinkles flip because a Wrinkles isn't quite a cobra, so it's like a bit of a different one. What are you excited or nervous about today, John?
Excited about flirting with death. Scared about flirting with death, you know. It's a bit of give and take, walking the razor's edge. But sometimes you get cut, but sometimes you get a clean shave.
I'm rocking the Nirvana. This is the boat, John, the boat of choice. And Adam, he's a bit of an old soul. He sticks with the classic.
I'm a lone wolf that travels in a pack.
This fluid solo, Chom, the cooler box. Yeah, let's hope we have clean, smooth lines today.
Oh, my favorite part about kayaking is the hike.
This is the most dangerous part of the whole day right here.
Crossing the road, eh?
Yeah. I didn't read the instructions. Is this how you kayak?
Come on, a karate.
First proper scratches on this baby, huh? This is probably the saddest part of the Dwars. It's like so wild, so majestic, like those baboons earlier. Check this place, and then all this litter, just sewage water and litter. Like, not cool, man. How's this guy? We pretty much portaged the first rapid. It's just manky, very consequential, and we're just actually scared, to be honest. That's the actual truth. We're a bit scared. But yeah, we're gonna drop down this insane gorge, like 2 kilometers long, and then we get to that waterfall. Lakapala, have a good line. Lekker bra. That was fun.
stole to the depths and you're wet, so you take explosive, get it out. Send your body to flight. Everybody got a target tonight. Everybody come along for the ride. All you studs and your duds and your ladies is fly. Grip the moment like you're gripping the earth. Feel the weight and you're feeling the girth. Now you get it, now you're feeling your worth. Fitness how you used to make when everything used to hurt. It goes. No time to rest. Just do your best. What you hear is not a test. We're only here to make you. We're only here to make you. We're only here to make you. We're only here to make you go. Gotta make it on time. Brightest star gonna be the guide. Gotta get you to the other side, to where the butterflies and where the peace resides. The first 5 minutes for the 15 of fame. 5 seconds for you seeing my name. I'm deadly sharp shooting the game. Gonna hit you in the soul, execution is aim. Get together and we building a fire. Clear smoke and it's taking us higher. Hands up, everyone is one. If you see yourself making it, you see in the sun. Metropolis on the edge of control. They take our money, but they won't take our soul. Fuck that, ain't gon' do it no more. Won't do what we told, and we ain't gonna flow. We hold. No time to rest.
That was sick! Yo. Look, the waterfall and all the hectic rapids was just not enough for these oaks. So they just want to make it more hardcore by literally choosing the cuckest route up to the top where we get the car. What a bunch of kooks. What an absolute bunch of kooks.
Well done. Thank you.